Hello! In this video, we will show you how you can send email using Message 91 API. Before you try to send email using API, make sure that your domain verification is completed and you have added the email template, which has been approved by us. Let's get started. You can open the URL docs.msg91.com in order to open our API documentation. Here on our API documentation, you will find the API of Send Email Using Template. Once you click on it, it will open our email API. Here you will find the body of the API in JSON format in the center of the page, and the API code will be available at the extreme right-hand side of the page. Now, in order to send the email using API, we will pass the values of all the parameters in the raw JSON body. You can directly do that on the API documentation of Message 91, or else you can also import the curl of the API in Postman and do it from there. Firstly, we will run the API from the Message 91 API documentation itself. We have already updated the values of all the parameters in the API, like from and to email address, domain name, template name, auth key, etc. Now we will click on the Try It button in order to run the API. When the API call is successful, you will get a success response like this. Now you can check your mailbox for the email for confirmation. Let us now run the email API using Postman as well. From the API documentation, you can copy the curl by clicking on the Copy button. Let us now import the curl in Postman and enter the values of all the parameters, starting with auth key. We will now update the recipient's name and email address. If your email template consists of variables, you need to update the variable name and value for those. In this template, we have two variables, which is name and OTP, hence, we will enter their names and values. You can enter multiple recipients' email addresses as well if you want. However, right now, we are only testing at one email, so this can be removed. You can enter CC and BCC email addresses as well, depending on your use case, else this can be removed as well. Now we will enter the from name and email address. Please note the from email address should contain the same domain, which is verified on the MSG 91 panel. In next field, we will enter the domain name. You can remove reply to parameter as well if that is not needed by you. If you want to send attachment in your email, you can update the public URL of the file and the file name. We allow you to send file in base64 format as well. In this case, we are not sending any attachment, hence we can remove this parameter as well. Finally, you have to enter the template ID. It is the template name which you want to send. The template ID can be copied from the template section on MSG 91 panel. Now let us run the API. A success response will be generated and the mail will be sent. We hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to use our email API. Thank you.